The internet is constantly changing with new search algorithms, new types of user behavior, and trends that swear to bring you more customers. How can small business owners keep up if updating and improving your website means constant financial investment? The good news is that you can do much of this with some time and education.
That's right. Even though the web design community consensus is that websites should be redesigned every 2 to 3 years, this doesn't mean a complete overhaul or spending thousands of dollars. In this lesson, we'll discuss the importance of website audit for design and functionality. We'll outline steps to check usability, accessibility, and current design trends as we progress through this course. Redesign and improve your website.
Design trends and functionality fads can change often. Having the time and financial means to keep up takes a lot of work. However, simple implementation of current trends, best practices, and new marketing tools can give freshness to your website and the appearance of a business's relevance. As we go through ways to evaluate design, accessibility, and functionality, view the download for this course, which includes everything we'll review. The link to the download is in the description below this video.
It'd be great to have a URL site checker that reviews your design and automatically tells you what you need to fix. Alas, this still requires a human eye. Since this course is about making these improvements yourself, let's take a look at how AI can help us.
And make sure to check on the latest AI features from GoDaddy, as we're always dreaming up new ways to help enhance your site and web presence using AI.
Let's start by researching the latest design trends. In Google, search latest design trends in the year. It will generate a list with suggestions and website examples. Just look for that one that would really improve your existing site. For this example, we'll choose bold minimalism.
Next, we'll pop into a chatbot like ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Review my business website at URL. Then, as an expert website designer, suggest ways to improve the website design with the latest design trends of bold minimalism for our target audience. Now fill in the blanks for your URL, chosen design trend, and target audience.
Now, based on this prompt for bold minimalism, you'll likely get action items to reduce the number of items in your navigation menu, or even convert it to the hamburger menu, those 3 horizontal lines. It may suggest you cut down on copy, reduce some items to 1 sentence, or even potentially remove some images and replace them with icons. Love icons. Now, AI may even offer font and color suggestions too.
Another option is to review your competitors' websites for improvements that could benefit your website. Do some snooping around. It could be the color schemes, fonts, or maybe it's the layout. Make a note of those. Then prompt an AI chatbot like ChatGPT 4, review my business website at URL, and compare it to a competitor's website at URL. Based on the web pages you crawled, and as an expert web designer, please suggest ways to apply the strength of the competitor's design to our website.
And I love this part. The AI will then suggest everything you need, from specific colors all the way to typography. If your website is on any kind of page builder, these are easy things to implement. We'll discuss implementation in more detail in our next lesson.
Design improvements will vary depending on your website, and it's great that we have AI to help us along. Remember that you are still using the human element, what you think looks good and what style direction you want to take your website. AI is excellent for those helpful suggestions and action items on how to get there.
When it comes to accessibility, I'm happy to say there is a website checker to audit and score your website. Google includes checking for accessibility in their PageSpeed tool.
Accessibility ensures that a website is designed so that people with various disabilities can understand and use it without issue. From color schemes with good contrast to images and links containing information for screen readers, accessibility should be a part of every redesign and improvement. As we did in the lesson for performance, security, and online visibility, insert your website URL into the PageSpeed tool.
Now, Google will give you a score and action items based on website issues. These may include problems with color contrast and images needing descriptive information. The checker will show you the exact item, which will help you determine what to change.
If you have a website on WordPress, you can get an extensive and detailed accessibility checker with a plugin like Accessibility Checker from Equalize Digital. It'll scan each page of the website and list all open issues with instructions for improving them. We'll review common action items and how to address them in the next lesson.
Now, when reviewing functionality, we're looking for features to add to the website to attract more customers. improve productivity, or help a process. Here again, we can lean on AI for evaluation and idea suggestions.
Come on, AI. Begin by reviewing your competitors' websites. Find a competitor you feel has a great handle on their website design functionality and one you would like to compare for inspiration. Then, in an AI chatbot, prompt: review my business competitor's website at URL and compare it to my website at URL. List the functionality on my competitor's website that is helping them increase visitors and convert customers. As an expert online marketer and WordPress developer, suggest how I can add this functionality to my website. Now, of course, you'll want to replace this information with your own, including what about the competitor's website you want to emulate.
Now, the good thing about this approach is it's very specific. Without a competitor website to compare it to, AI will still make some nice, broad suggestions. However, they won't be specific to your industry or target audience.
Now that we have a very long punch list of action items, let's discuss implementation and ways to carry out these improvements, starting with the next lesson, design improvements using AI.